Hi everyone, I am Kim and I have another box for you guys. Stitch Fix. The last Stitch Fix I got, I sent everything back, so this will be the redemption, I think. Thank you for watching my previous videos. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Comment below what your favorite clothing item was, because it's fun to see what everybody thinks. So before last Stitch Fix, I had to pay the $20 styling fee, and then I got this little notification when I entered all of my returns. It said you're picked for the style pass, which means you pay $49, and then for the entire year you don't have any $20 styling fees. So you could request as many Stitch Fixes as you want and you won't be charged that $20, which is really cool. And the best part is that the $49 that I paid for that style pass can go towards clothing in this box or any future box if I decide that I want to purchase something, which is really nice. So basically I paid $50 to not have styling fees for the next year, and I get to use that $50 for the clothes. It was way too good of an opportunity to pass up. So the last box I got, there was some really cool stuff. There was some really cool stuff in it, but nothing like that I thought was like I had to have, so I sent it all back. Let's just jump right in. Clean denim for everybody. Here's a little card about how to clean clothes, how to clean denim, so I must have gotten some jeans or something. I have our return envelope, my little personalized letters, and then we have this Julio. So yep, it does look like there's some denim in there. So we'll take a look and just jump right into this little burrito. I always love getting Stitch Fixes. My cat is right next to us. And I decorated. I thought it would be nicer of a background to have some like artwork, flowers, yada yada. Okay, back to business. Okay, we have a midi short jeans. These are really cute. I asked for some longer jeans in my Stitch Fix request because the last time I got these linen jeans that were really nice, but they're kind of short, and I'm like subconscious about my legs in short shorts. So these are really cool. They are warp and weft. What does it say? Warp and weft Agnes distressed frayed hem short. Okay. Yeah, these are cute. Just like a little distressing. Really cute for summer. And then I've got this beautiful white, zoom in, there you go, soft, what is this? Oh, it's a dress. This is really pretty. It's from Collective Concepts, and it's Iris Eyelet dress. Look how pretty that is. Here's the, like a little bit of ruching, and then the detail around the armholes. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's so soft. This is another mustard shirt. I asked for more options for mustard, and she sent me another one, so she was listening. This is kind of like a faux wrap shirt. And they've got like flary sleeves, short sleeves. There we go. So if the snap stays, then it's really cute. I like the color contrast. That's really pretty. And again, flowers, like you can't go wrong. It feels really nice too. Oh, it's not a faux wrap, it's a real wrap. a real wrap shirt. And I believe this is another dress. This is French gray, and it's a Casey tie waist knit dress in navy, and it's striped. There's got some, like, they have the contrasting striped patterns, which is kind of nice. And it does have that tie. Oh, it's a, like, you can scrunch it, I believe. This is really comfy. I can already tell it's super comfy. Like the jersey stretchy material. So this is more casual as compared to that like fancier white dress. And then the last item is this Skies Are Blue terry embroidered off the shoulder top in blue. It's like wider, shorter, and I was gonna try an off the shoulder top again, so we'll see what happens with this one. Okay, so those are the items that I got. Like a little bit of more blue whites. There's still some mustard and then some denim. So I will go ahead, I'll try these on, and we'll take a look at the prices afterwards. Here's the shirt. It's nothing too special. I mean, it does have that really pretty ruching, scrunchy detail up at the top. And it's nice and summery. Let's see what it would be like with a little tuck action. I like the tuck action. It gives you a little bit more shape. So here is the shirt. It's really pretty. So we have these ruffle sleeves, which like make my arms, I think they make the arms look really nice and slim. And then here's the back. It's just really pretty with the different contrasting colors. So here are the distressed shorts that are a little bit longer. Move this back. And they actually fit on my body. I like how it's like curved in the front and then it comes up and then it's curved in the back. I think that makes a really pretty silhouette. I don't know how I feel about like white with my skin tone because I have such weird skin. It's like olivey and then also see-through, so it's tough the colors that I put on and what looks good. I am gonna go over the prices of all of these items that I just tried on now that I'm back in my street clothes. So there is a kind of note that goes over all the choices that she gave me, and she describes it. I'll read it later because you don't really care why she sent me that stuff. But the French gray Casey tie waist knit dress is $48. Not too bad, almost 50 bucks for that dress. It's more like a loungy dress, and I don't know how the price is kind of, I always think everything's a little bit expensive, but because it is. Skies Are Blue terry embroidered off the shoulder shirt. This one is $54 for this shirt. The Warp and Weft Agnes Distressed Frayed Hem jeans in indigo these are $64 jeans or shorts. How much do you guys spend on shorts? What's an appropriate amount? And the Collective Concepts Iris Eyelet dress, the white pretty one, is $78. So this is $78. It feels like it's expensive. I kind of had an idea. I don't know about that one. And then the this is, I didn't tell you the name of this shirt. This one. It's 14th Place Eleanor wrap top is $42. So this was kind of a more expensive fix. And I don't know if they did that because I had that $49 attached to my account towards clothes, because this was more expensive of a Stitch Fix than I've ever gotten. Total is $286, almost $300 for 5 items. And normally it's not anywhere close to that. But the buy all discount is $71.50 off, so the subtotal is $214.50, so $215 almost for those 5 items with the discount. And then if I take my $49 that I did for the style pass, it would be $165.50. So $165.50 for those items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you like it. I am very excited that I received more subscribers from my last video, so I will keep uploading, and you'll see me again, maybe with a beer.